Natural health benefits of ginger. 1. Boosts immunity. Ginger strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections. 2. Aids digestion. It improves digestion, reduces bloating, and helps relieve indigestion. 3. Reduces inflammation. Ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling and joint pain. 4. Relieves nausea. It is very effective in reducing nausea, motion sickness, and morning sickness. 5. Improves blood circulation. Ginger helps improve blood flow, which supports heart health. 6. Controls blood sugar. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and can be beneficial for people with diabetes. 7. Relieves cold and cough. Ginger warms the body and helps in easing cold, cough, and sore throat. 8. Reduces muscle pain. Its anti-inflammatory effects relieve muscle soreness and body aches. 9. Supports weight loss. Ginger boosts metabolism and helps burn fat more effectively. 10. Detoxifies the body. It helps remove toxins and keeps the body fresh and healthy.